Hi everyone and welcome on my channel. My name is Linda and today I'd like to share with you guys how I cook penne al manzo. It's easy, it's simple, it's delicious. What else do I have to say? Oh, I know. Let's go! Let me first tell you guys what you need. Penne, veal, low-fat cream, cherry tomatoes, garlic, parsley, tomato paste, salt and black pepper. Have a look into the description box for the exact amounts. First step, cut all the tomatoes in halves.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it.
Secondly, dry the meat with some paper towel, so when you're frying the meat, the oil doesn't split everywhere and you don't get burned. Next, cut the meat into slices.
Parker City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Chop the parsley and well, this is actually all you need to prepare before cooking. I start to cook the penne because they take the most of our time.
A few minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now, where the penne are done, add a bit of oil in the pan. As soon as it is hot enough, you can start to fry the meat. When you see they got a little brown, add the tomato paste, salt and pepper, stir a little bit and press the garlic directly into the pan. Next, I add the cherry tomatoes. Fry this for maybe a minute or two and deglaze with the cream. Leave it like this for another 1 or 2 minutes and then you can add the penne. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for serving. Let's try! Okay, the meat is really soft and the taste is fantastic. I love it.
Nice.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if it's so and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!